What we cooking? Oh, that's gonna be good. We're going through some freaky weather right now. Check this out. Winds. It's just like I'm on one of the beaches in the Gulf Coast. Like up by Gulf Shores, up by the Panhandle. Check that out. I shouldn't have did that because I exhausted all this awesome pizza smell out of here, but that's okay. It won't take long and it'll be right back in. So yes, you can make pizza on a Coleman dual burner stove, and you don't really need the heat deflector. I just put it on the very lowest heat setting, like that, and cover your pan with tin foil and just let it bake and bake and bake while you bake, and before you know it, you have the munchies, you have pizza, the van smells, your home smells awesome. I feel really mentally energized. Everything and fresh air. This is done. Time to put the other ones in. So how does it turn out when you do it like this? Well, look at the top. The cheese actually gets melty and a little bit on the dark side, if you want it that far done. How does the crust get? Ooh, look at that. Not burnt, just right. How does it taste? Tastes really good. I mean, I was gonna say almost as good as a pizza oven, because it really almost does. I gotta see what fell on my roof. It's windy, something fell on my roof. Later, guys. Take care.